you when you throw him.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You get a practice
Probably
throw.
won't try
Oh!
Oh!
Nice!
Nice!
2, 3. Oh.
No, you get more than one throw.
Oh, you do? How many throws?
You get 3. Watch all them. Unless you
Two.
forego your practice shot.
I'm not 3.
Get her!
Oh.
Get her!
Almost had it.
All blocked up. And I'm like,
Oh man,
That was brutal.
We tried.
Yes. You made it 3 and go.
Okay, right? Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Straight into John's arms.
2 more to go.
I got a good stance. Okay. 1, 2, and then go. Almost. You'll get it this time.
Wait, how many more?
1 more.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh! So close.
Well, he hangs around us long enough, you'll get used to that.
Woo! All the way through, almost.
That's a 5.
That's a 5.
That's what a 5 looks like. So we need
Great job.
right?
Ooh!
One more shot.
One more shot.
I don't know. Oh yeah, there's a 4.
You don't want to know.
Is it rolling?
2,
3.
And
Yeah,
then
the hard way. Yes.
That's a hard 4.
2 balls in the side pocket. 2 balls off the side rail.
Ow. That'll be a hard one to explain to the doctor.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Ready? Okay. All right. 1, 2.
Well, I see I let go.
Another 4! Yeah! Yeah, they're only behind by 1 point. The first, second, third.
All right, ready? Hold on. Okay. Well, he's almost ready. All right, ready. Okay. Whoa, hold on. One more leg.
I think we almost broke it.
Yeah.
He broke the airlock.
Okay. 1, 2.
Work feathers.
3!
Oh!
Yes!
Good one though. That was close, man. Good throwing. I like your